Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Astral Echoes Trove. Astral Echoes are a crucial resource in Trove, essential for enhancing your character's abilities and progression. These echoes are primarily spent within the Grand Orrery, where you unlock powerful constellations and upgrade various stats. We will cover the most efficient ways to farm these valuable echoes, ensuring you maximize your gains and strengthen your gameplay. There are several key methods to acquire Astral Echoes. One primary way is by diligently completing 5-star dungeons, especially within the Sundered Uplands. You have a chance to receive a random amount, typically between 20 and 60 echoes, from dungeon chests. Another consistent source is the Astral Echoes tome, available in the in-game store for 2,500 credits, which grants 5,000 echoes weekly. Additionally, visit the Starbit NPC in the hub to purchase 50 echoes daily using one despoiled divinity. When farming dungeons for Astral Echoes, efficiency is key. Always aim to open every single chest within 5-star dungeons, as each chest offers a chance for an echo drop. Interestingly, the Uber World difficulty you choose does not affect the drop rate, so pick a comfortable level. For optimal results, team up with other players to swiftly complete dungeon objectives and ensure all chests are looted, maximizing your potential echo gains per run. To truly maximize your Astral Echoes, combine all available methods. Make sure to activate your Astral Echoes tome each week for a substantial 5,000 echoes. Don't forget your daily visit to the Starbit NPC to acquire an additional 50 echoes using despoiled divinity. Beyond these consistent sources, keep grinding those 5-star dungeons. Even after completing your weekly objectives, these dungeons remain a reliable, albeit random, source for accumulating more of this essential resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.